Good afternoon. It is October 6th, Sunday. Pretty mild weather here in Philadelphia. And today we're going to do oil change on the M Coupe. This is a S54. Everything's pretty stock, so relatively straightforward. These are the tools you're going to need. 6mm hex, that's for the drain plug. A filter, this is a MAN filter. It is a HU9264. Looks like this. It comes with a nice little filter kit, so you can replace some of the seals. It comes with a drain plug too. Actually, this came from ECS, so ECS put the drain plug in. You're gonna need 6 quarts of the good stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got another one around here somewhere. You're gonna need a 13mm socket for the top of the oil filter housing, and obviously a way to lift the car so it's safely up there. I used Rhino ramps. Fairly straightforward. Let's get to work and start undoing that drain bolt and letting the oil drain out. Let's get underneath, and we're going to use that 6mm hex, and we're going to undo the drain plug, which is right here. I'm gonna do an oil sample, so I've got my little bottle here. Thank you to Blackstone Labs for supplying the little bottle. Very important we take it as the oil is draining in the middle somewhere, not the first drop, but not the middle one either. You take your 6mm hex, and you can just start undoing Doesn't really matter if we Alright, so the oil is draining here. We've got a little sample. Next is to undo the oil filter housing, 13mm socket. So let's go do that. Always a good idea to make sure that you can open the oil cap as well, so you can always get oil back in there. Then we want to clean up the inside here, get rid of all that old oil. Everybody over there, hands in the air. And so we can see what seals we're going to be replacing. We're going to replace this one right here, this rubber one. We're going to replace this little rubber guy, and then also this washer up here. Oh, there's two. That's interesting. Of the new filter, so that's quite easy. That just pops back in like so. Let's get to work on those little seals. Old one. We'll clean this out. Oh, the 90s music is gone. That's nice and clean. Take some of our new oil and just get a little bit on the finger, and then we can whiz it around. Goes right back in here. Take this washer off. Put this washer on. Suppose you can clean this too while we're at it. Take this little thing off too. That's nice and clean. Let's put the new washer on the top. Goes up there. And then we'll put the new, we'll do the same thing. We'll get a little bit of oil. Sure, my hands got quite a bit of oil on already, so that'll just go on the top. Like so. And then this is ready to be popped back in. This goes on the top. Like this. easy. And this is going to pop in. And we're going to torque this to 24 foot-pounds. So grab your torque wrench. Alright, that's 24. Now it's time to clean up and we'll check out what's going on underneath and the draining. $18 foot-pounds. Next bit is pretty easy. Once your drain plug is put back, we're just going to fill up the oil in here. So we go over, we grab our container, one of them, that's one. Alright, once you've poured all your oil in, don't forget to plug in your TPS sensor back in. Done that mistake before. Car doesn't like that. You should be all good to put the car back down on the ground, start it, check for leaks. We'll check the oil just to make sure the level is good using the dipstick right here. If you need to add, you can always add a little bit more. Otherwise, you should be pretty good if you put the 5.5 quarts in. If you need to add up, you have a half quart to top up.